Watch, 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 watch. You know the world, it's not a plan, right? You all know a franchise is choosing one, the 10-star general. I'm come here, I'm there, so I represent the Gaza to the fullest, in a full effect for 2018. You know, and a lollipop thing around here. Watch. Let me tell you something, man. You have this little man here, man. We claim him subscriber name a NYCGSF/sports. Him have must say 148 subscriber. It look like a some him have beg. It look like a more him there they have beg. Cause me no know if you have blog for alkaline, right? You don't have no reason for put Vybz Kartel in the title. Or your shit where you do, you hear me? You put alkaline name there. You know what I mean? So why you got boots up alkaline and you still use Vybz Kartel name in your title for bring off your interview? Let me tell you something, man. Me hear you big up some local man where you claim say the review and all them shit there. The whole of them are baby. Let me tell you something. You hear that? The whole of them are Brambles Clifford. And that me I tell you about. You know what I mean? Baby player them there. Now tell me bring baby player to man. When you talk about review on YouTube, I don't have to lie or even big up nobody because I not even going to even clarify myself in it because I deal with my thing different from her. You know my thing a hardcore thing. I not deal with lollipop thing. But if you talk about review, you have to talk about Video Link Jamaica. You have to talk about Ear to Boss. You hear me? You have to talk about mix up and thing. King mix up. You know what I mean? At them you they shot the thing out the road. And when they listen to the review and listen to the art where the youth them build, it's classical, especially Video Link Jamaica and no joke thing. The man thing tough. You hear that? The man review them a one of a kind. The man review them it come like a brand new thing where you can't believe it. And that's why enough for you try but you just can't do it. And watch you now. Because I hear that they talk bullshit. When you talk about man make review and name out the best 200 dancehall song and him put Vybz Kartel song a 70th and put Suavia at this number and so we not care about that. That a man just make up thing and put up on YouTube. Who is him? The numbers where you talk about song, if you talk about the numbers them on the Billboard chart. Tell me what numbers alkaline they on the Billboard chart. Since you're there and come and chat up your mouth. You think them money they were alkaline and collect for sure? You think them can give Vybz Kartel that? Ask anybody in a music industry. Vybz Kartel are one of the fiercest man when it comes on to about bookings. You can't come with them to them man with no lollipop thing. Or you want duff plate. You think you can come to them man with lollipop money? First thing them man they probably will tell you say you never do not duff plate. Straight. A real thing me I tell you about. So you for book Vybz Kartel for a show, but I tell you something. When I hear you talk about the new rules show and what the youth do and people can't believe. But I tell you what Leng couldn't believe. You talk about Leng and them you man they have to stay saying and them say. I tell you what Leng couldn't believe. Him couldn't believe the Vybz Kartel alone flops thing. All know it flop and the man they are prison. You ever seen nothing like that yet? And you come on YouTube and do clown interview. You come on YouTube with a clown thing and I talk about down a town you come from. Nobody no response where you come from, dog. Nobody no ask you that. People are listen to what you say. And what you say don't add up. So some viewers you beg. And me don't tell you already say as you no call cartel name this year. Me tell you no what go on, me go squeeze. You know what I mean? Yeah, real way. You know what I mean? Me go squeeze. And a lollipop thing. From boy violate them, get them head chop off with it. It's a done deal. A one-shot deal. You know what I mean? The pump here splash out on the brain on the wall. You hear that? The world boss a step and watch the fussy them a ball. You know what I mean? What not chat about? What not talk about? You think you can book Vybz Kartel nowhere overseas or nowhere at all in the Caribbean or nowhere in Europe and you talk about a lollipop thing? We're not a clown or what? I'm telling you something. Uno, who boots up the local youth, and some ungrateful people, uno. Especially you will come to the about your name NYCGSF/sports. Let me tell you something. Not big hypocrite. Movada the biggest thing where him go and join up with Movada, forget Movada exposure. Uno, as him fans, none of no response to Movada. When Movada put up all them thing, it come like a struggle, the man a struggle for get some viewers. But make a alkaline do him thing. Viewers all over. So no rate the gully god. So when him bigger than the gully god? Answer me, him bigger than the gully god. Answer me now. Cause Movada, you know, don't bigger than the world boss. And me ask you if alkaline bigger than the gully god. Telling you something, man. And as we come on YouTube with a bag of hypocrisy, right? I'm telling you, I'm there for straighten out. Because I don't have no knowledge about dancehall, you know. And I'm going to tell you this again. Him dumb big like popcorn. And you can't stop that. I know him now have a song where run Jamaica where can be the song of the year. The first song drop where it look like it could have been the song of the year. You know, my dog them have to live with Massacre and Vybz Kartel and it tear up the whole place. It becomes a household thing. You see what I'm dealing? And then I do wanna drop yeah. And that take over. You see me? Until Popcorn drop El Chapo, it start create havoc all over the place. Till the world boss drop, right? And the whole place dominate. Him have a song like that. Tell me if him ever have a song where run Jamaica also like that. Tell me. Much as you talk about the world. When you talk about numbers, my virgin, more you go look on the Billboard chart. Him not do nothing like what Gaza artists them do. So stop coming up on YouTube with a fucker. And I talk you fucker, fox me I talk, you know. Where you think a lollipop thing me I talk? Eh? If you don't know shit, keep your mouth closed, dog. And the brother who you boots up about Mr. T, them man they do wickedest review and squeeze rapid burst on YouTube. I run Mr. T off of YouTube. From me run him off of YouTube, I live him start go. Tell him to come back, come answer the general. I put him in place. And him have to run. I live him start go. So don't come talk no stupidness. But yeah, and think so well then you don't have no argument. Because you don't have no argument at all. A Popcorn are the face of dancehall internationally. You think your mouth can move that? Eh? I think by uno talk about this or that can move nothing at all. A good music him have to do for have himself cement in a them place. And I agree as a young youth and them do him thing good and everything right. I don't say nothing about him. But the boots or not boots him not on the level there. So I don't know what you talk about. A number 3 Tamil EP there, you know, pa iTunes, you know. You check that out? Do you check that out? You go check out Popcorn and the girls them? You check that out? My brother, look on YouTube, please, me I beg you. Look what number Fevers there now. Look at and so you look and you see the number with Fever there. More you take a double look and see if you see alkaline on the whole program. Yeah. The Billboard top 100 chart. More you look on it and tell me what number alkaline there. You hear me? Yo, I'm tell you something, you know. No fawning now. You do not fever, do not at all on YouTube, you know, my virgin. Because I see what you're looking at, subscribe what you're looking at. And we not deal with lollipop thing. And me as a man, you know, I just want to know say here what go on. You see ear to boss, and mix up and things, and King mix up, and Video Link Jamaica. Me need for the man them check out this YouTube channel, you know. Him claim him name NYC, you know, GSF/sports, you know. We don't need to check out that youth and fix him, you know, because we're going to send him back down. We're going to send him back where he come from, you know. You hear that? Because he say if you're dopey and Mr. T send you, and we are the conqueror. You hear that? You hear that? A Gaza nation are the conqueror. We're going to put you back where you come from. Because we don't deal with lollipop thing. We don't have to know a Mach 90 rifle and Glock thing. And you make me tell you something, we don't have to understand how we set it. Our brain we use and make it. Watch. Don't watch the color because no boy can't punk this. You hear that? And the general, the 10-star one, represent in a live and living colors in a full effect. You hear that? So when you there come on YouTube with a lollipop thing, when there is nothing comparing to Gaza. You ain't nothing compared to Gaza. So don't come on YouTube and try for beg viewers and a beg subscribers. And you boots up this man and you can't make him name be the title or whatever you do. You still have to put Vybz Kartel name in it. You sound like a little fish. You know what I mean? I think you and fish team mix up now the same thing. You hear that? You and AKA fish team, Mr. T, the two of them is up now the same net. You hear that? And the general, the 10-star one. And them know when time I come and a lollipop thing round here. Gaza to the world. And you can't stop that. So when you want to chat about numbers, you want to talk about new YouTube viewers, you talk about viewers, check the Billboard chart. And when you find alkaline numbers on the Billboard chart, you come back, come chat to me, the general, the 10-star one. Otherwise, if him name don't up on the Billboard chart, let me tell you something, don't want me more about Vybz Kartel. You hear me? Because you sound like a lunatic. You hear me? You sound like a Disney World patient, a top nerd. Watch the general blast it up and turn it up and gun it up. Gaza for life. Watch.